Want 3 free months of Adobe Creative Cloud on your Asus device? Okay, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Asus website, look for the promotional offer page. It might be highlighted on the homepage or found in a separate section dedicated to bundled bonuses, like software offerings. On the promotion page, carefully read the terms and conditions, pay close attention to which Asus devices are eligible, make sure your device qualifies before you proceed, as this offer is not available to all models. Now, you'll likely need an Asus account or a Asus account to claim the offer if you don't already have one. Create a new account if you do. Log in using your existing credentials. Be patient as the page loads. Once you're logged in, navigate to the area that pertains to bonus offers or product registration. There should be an option specifically to claim your Adobe Creative Cloud membership. You might need to find a unique code to redeem your offer. You should now have a unique code. Next, go to the Adobe Creative Cloud Redeem website. This is where you'll input that code you got from Asus. Following the instructions provided, either log into your existing Adobe account or create a free account. Choose whatever is the best fit for you. After verifying all the details and confirming your subscription, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud membership is activated. Congratulations, you can now enjoy the perks of Creative Cloud.